Somebody, please play Maxwell Pretty Wings because that song is very fitting for this beautiful occasion.
Have you ever went in the kitchen and seen nothing and still made something and it became scrumptious?
Welcome to Carmel's Wine and Cheese, where we make a little of any and everything, something out of nothing, all while measuring with nothing but love. So in today's video, what I'm going to be making for you all is my delicious, and I do mean delicious, bang bang wings. Now, if you like the hot lemon pepper wings I made, you're gonna really love these. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and make a homemade ranch. And in that ranch, I'm gonna have some mayonnaise, some sour cream, some buttermilk, half lemon juice. Gonna give that a quick stir until it's smooth. Some garlic powder, some onion powder, some kosher salt, some dried parsley flakes, dill weed, and lastly some black pepper. And I'm gonna give that a good whisk until it's smooth, and I'm gonna let it sit in the refrigerator overnight so those flavors will develop and it'll taste much better. So up next, what I'm going to be making is the delicious bang bang sauce. And of course, the first thing that gots to go in there is fresh minced garlic. We're gonna do some original barbecue sauce. Doesn't really matter the brand as long as it's original. Then we're gonna do some sriracha, some Tabasco sauce, some onion powder, some brown sugar, always unsalted butter. And then we're gonna go ahead and do a cup of water, and we're gonna heat that up in the microwave. Now for these chicken wings, we gonna do what we do best over here, and that's measure with love, okay? Cause with meat, you gotta be generous with the seasoning. So real simple, complete seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, dry mustard, and poultry seasoning. I'm gonna give that a good mix, and we're good to go. So before I fry these wings, I'm going to bread them in some all-purpose flour and a little bit of salt and pepper. Now I'm an all flats kind of gal, so I got all flats, but I'm just gonna go ahead and stir these babies up. I'm gonna dip them in that oil, and they're gonna fry for anywhere from about, I want to say 12 to 15 minutes per batch. Baby, them wings bought pretty and golden as me. Child, you better stop playing now. Ooh-wee. Look at her. That thing pretty. Mm. Listen now, if you like this recipe, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next week, Tuesday at 8:30 a.m. sharp.